A lot has changed. A lot has changed. Glam Squad, I need you. Glam Squad, I miss you so much. As Maya, as Dart, as a sunflower, as Ladybug, as all of the above, I'm grateful. Can y'all believe the police arrested me the other day? I know, it was ridiculous. They arrested me, and I would love to say it's racism, which I'm sure that plays a role, but I'm going to stick on the fact that it's unjust. The police are here to serve me because I am a citizen and I pay taxes. So for me not to get served by the police and the hospital is pretty fucked up. Regardless of reasoning, it's still unjust. Very unjust. I didn't appreciate it at all. I thought so much highly of the badge. I was like, oh. When you applied for your job, you wanted to save me. You was like, I'm going to be a superhero. Yay. Not, I'm going to fuck up people's lives. Like, I really understood that. I was like, there's little kids right now that want to be a police officer because, like, don't you remember when being a police officer was like, oh shit, firefighter, police officer, and doctor was just like right up there, like, because you were being helpful. You were being helpful. And now I don't feel the same way. So with that being said, I need police friends. I need white friends. I need other culture friends. Don't need. I'm not a needy person. I am open. I am open for my friends. Now, as a lovely sunflower, I am still going through the turmoil of this flight. But the destination has not changed. The destination has not changed. As y'all can see, vision board right there. Destination has not changed. They locked me up, y'all. They locked me up. Oh. But you can never hold this down. My underarm hair is longer than my hair on my head.